Alright guys, what is up? Adrian here from Losh TV, and we are at Universal Orlando. Today we are going to be saying goodbye to one of my favorite attractions. Not because it's a great attraction, but because it stood with me my entire life. My whole life, all I've known is this. And it's that Shrek is Love. So we're gonna go in there and say goodbye to Shrek. Also get one last ride in on the Mummy before they refurb it. So it won't be until we see it again in a few months. So today we're going to go ahead and get in there and enjoy both Shrek and the Mummy. Stay tuned because we're gonna have some fun. Let's get in there, roll that intro. Now, in case you guys didn't know, the Mummy is closing for refurbishment for about 6 months, and that's starting this weekend, as well as Shrek, that is also closing, but that one's closing for good. Sadly, it's been here for 17 years. That's 17 long years of it being a standing attraction. So many families have seen it, and I'm excited to see what comes. If you guys want to see what I think is going to be coming to the event, or not the event, the park, I'm going to be filming a video that's going to be coming out next week, hopefully. And I hope you guys are ready for that because I give all of my speculation towards what can come into the park. And that's going to be the last weekend you're going to be able to experience Shrek 4D. And I got to say, it's kind of bittersweet. I am not the biggest fan of this attraction. However, it has such an impact on my childhood that I just love it. Like, it's just great. I watched Shrek growing up. Shrek came out when I was a kid, and seeing it go kind of hurts, but it's all good. We're gonna go into the gift shop and check out the gift shop before we go on the attraction. That way you guys can see what it's like before it's gone forever. Now, before going into Shrek souvenir shop over here, gotta talk about something that's not leaving. That's the donkey meet and greet, which is pretty awesome that it's not leaving because this is probably one of the coolest things here. Like, donkey's amazing. We love Donkey. Let's see if I can talk to him. Donkey!
What is going on?
I love you, just know.
That's all?
No, not that's all.
You came all this way to say, I just came to say I love you.
You sound beautiful.
Thank you. I work on it. I sing in the shower. You sing in the shower?
I sing in the shower every now and then.
Every now and then, not all the time. Sometimes you just gotta get in and get out. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
Water bill, water bill.
Gotta be a quick one, you know? No, but how do you feel about Shrek like moving a swamp?
Shrek's moving the swamp.
Yeah.
Where you get your information from?
That guy.
Who's that guy?
Xavier.
Xavier?
Yeah.
With an X?
With an X.
And you heard what, Xavier?
Well, I heard Shrek is moving strong.
He's moving to where?
He's moving to California.
That's just, you know he already in California, right?
He's moving far, far away.
Far.
Yeah, he gonna move far, far away. We just don't know where exactly. I just want to know where y'all getting what the tabloids are doing to us.
It's all the tabloids. All the tabloids. Nah.
Did you get all the merch you needed?
Yeah, I got the one shirt. That's it.
What's the one shirt? The one that has the expiration date on the back?
The one that has you on it.
Waffles.
Well,
The waffle
that should be
shirt.
all it. Oh, the waffle one.
shirt. That's the only one.
And in the morning I'm making waffles.
Exactly. That's
That's
all
the
you
one.
need. That's
That's
all
the
you
one.
need. All right.
Sorry
I'm
for
taking
my
enough of
bird.
your time. I love you.
You're taking enough of my time. You waited a little bit for me. You could say a little bit.
I don't want to be rude. I don't want to take their time.
Oh man, what a park!
Nice.
You must work here.
I do not.
Oh wow, y'all considerate and stuff.
We try to be.
We hate long wait times. We don't want to be the reason for the wait. so nice.
Take care, donkey. Stay safe.
Be the good in the world.
Exactly.
The
You too.
change everybody wants to see. Thank you for your time.
Alright guys, we're going to see what merch they have in stock here for Shrek before it goes away forever. In a few minutes is going to be us exiting off of Shrek, but for now, just give you guys a quick little look around the store. This right here is a map that shows you almost everywhere that is featured on the attraction itself. There's CMO, putting Donkey back where he goes. Look at that. That's that customer service we look for. But yeah, all the plushes. Now these will all probably just move over to the main store, or they'll just be defunct and sold at the end of the year. Xavier over here is holding up a nice little shirt.
Do I get this one, or do I get?
Nah, man, get the waffle shirt.
All right.
Honestly, this shirt's so much better in my opinion. But yeah, the shirt that I got's gone. I'll put a picture of it on the screen so you guys can see it. It was Shrek's Going Far, Far Away. Had the dates and everything. But yeah, pretty cool stuff, you know. Nothing too Shreky, but just another sexy bald guy. Of course, the shirt that says I'm with the sexy bald guy. Let's go to the other side and look at the little details that are here. Got the 3 pigs saying we don't do matching shirts, yeah. Now I wonder if they're gonna put a lot of this stuff in the prop shop, because I would think about buying this because I like the whole little wanted posters. They have some outside as well. I really like how those look. Now, along with being a Shrek store, they also have a bunch of DreamWorks stuff in here. So, How to Train Your Dragon, along with Kung Fu Panda, which I actually really like this shirt. The shirt's pretty cool. It looks fairly new, and it's only $25. Nice. And then going along with the DreamWorks theme here, they also have the Troll shirts. And a bunch of Trolls merch, because Trolls are very popular at the moment. So, everyone loves Trolls. But yeah, just for foreground, we're now on this side of the store. All the way over there. Look at the little details. Let's do it. It's all about the little details, because up here you have the 3 blind mice about to fall off. Can't see them that well, but yeah, they're about to fall off because they can't see where they're going. Up here we have Pinocchio and Felonious right up top at the honeymoon suite. We all know at the end of the attraction, that's where Shrek and Fiona are. It's pretty cool. Then we have the 3 little pigs along with Gingy making a brand new gingerbread house because his just got messed up. And then finally, Farquaad. As well as the mirror, the magic mirror, which, let's go say goodbye to the magic mirror. Now for me, it'll always be the little details that keep me here wanting to keep going. And then, yeah, it's the little things, the little cute things, the little shout outs to everything. Fun fact, this poster right here, a version of it, was featured in one of my favorite haunted houses I've ever been in. That was Scary Tales, Deadly Ever After, back in 2018. So yeah, let's go say goodbye to this green ogre.
What, being eaten again? Come on, guys! Look here. Silence! What's going on in there? Farquaad, you're looking rather pale. Of course I am. I'm a ghost, you fool!
Thank you for everything, Shrek. You were great. We love you. Alright guys, and that was our goodbye to Shrek. Like I said earlier, bittersweet. I loved this attraction for what it stood for me for 17 years. I think it should have been gone away a long time ago. Am I gonna miss it? Yeah, this was a staple for me ever since I started coming to the parks. So, thank you for everything, Shrek. Hope you paved the way for a lot of future things to come. And let's go do the Mummy before we go away. Alright guys, it is now our time to say our respects to Emotep before he's gone for about 6 months. Now this is very exciting because the Mummy is one of the best attractions in this park, and the fact that it's getting a facelift, very exciting, cannot wait. Alright guys, we just got off the Mummy. We were one of the last people on it, and emotions. Met a nice friend, Ryan, great guy, awesome. We were the last day guest riders on this attraction, and thank you to everyone that's run the Mummy since '04. Can't wait to see where this goes in 6 months. Can't wait to see what happens. But right now, we're waiting for these team members. We're going to give them the love that they deserve. Woo! Woo! All right, guys, and that's a wrap to our day of saying goodbye to a lot of things. Here's our picture from the Mummy, by the way. I'm going to put it on screen so you guys can check it out. Had a lot of fun. Xavier, Jared, Ryan, everyone that was with us on the ride. Thank you guys so much. We had a blast. Thank you to the Mummy team, Shrek team, everyone. You guys are great. Can't wait to see what's coming to the park. Can't wait to see the changes to the Mummy. I'll see you in 6 months or 9, who knows how long, but hopefully before Horror Nights. With all that being said, hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. Subscribe if you guys already haven't done so. Stay next to my dudes.